Hey guys, it's Singer, and today I'm going to be talking about some of my games that I really like. Well, not really like, but like games I have that I kind of like. Not kind of, but like. So the first one is PUBG. Oh my gosh, I like this game. Okay, I love it. It's PUBG Mobile. You can play with your friends, family, BFFs, boyfriend, girlfriend, strangers. I don't know. So if you don't have, like, of course you have family, but if no one wants to play with you, which is kind of sad, you can match up with strangers online, I guess, if you want to say it. I don't know. But yeah, it's a really cool game. It's kind of like Fortnite, but not really. It has guns in it, violence in it, so just to make sure, like, if your family don't want you to have that violence of a game. Billy's barking. So yes, there are shooting people and deaths. So just to make sure your family is alright with it. Okay, this next game I really like. I'm kind of addicted to it. It's not like PUBG or anything. Totally not like PUBG. This has animals in it. So this game is called Wildlife America. I love this game. I'm addicted to it. You take care of animals and stuff like wolves, squirrels, I don't know, bald eagles. It's a really fun game. So this one has dinosaurs in it. Like the next game has dinosaurs in it. Not Wildlife America. No. So this next game has dinosaurs in it. It's called Jurassic World. It's kind of like Jurassic Park, kind of, if you want to put it in that way. I guess, like, yeah, it is Jurassic Park, you know, kind of. I think it has, like, the same characters in it, but, like, if you like, dinosaurs and you know, I don't really care what they have to say, I just follow tests. Okay, this game is kind of like Wildlife America. I think it's made by the same people that made Wildlife America. It's called petworld. I'm not addicted to it, but it has bunch of pets. I like it. You get to sell pets, and you get to sell pets, and you have to take care of them, and I would recommend it if you're like a nature person, kind of. I don't know. You might like it. You take care of animals and stuff like that. And there is dogs, but sometimes you need to buy those things. Like, you need to buy the animal, like with your real money. I know, terrible. I know. But like, none of these games, like, these games are free. No. But if you want to get them on your PC, I don't know if they're gonna cost something. I know PUBG costs $2.99. I'm pretty sure you can look that up. because I think I didn't know where it would go, and it was $2.99. I don't know if they changed the prices, but yeah. So if you wanted to get it on your PC, I think it's $2.99, which kind of sucks. But if you get it on your phone, tablet, it will be free. Don't worry. So yeah, these are the games that I like to play when I'm bored or I have nothing to do, or if I have time, like a little bit of time, and yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that like button, and please join the family because why wouldn't you? Like, oh gosh, I'm hitting stuff now. But please join the family. This family is cool, okay? And weird. You know, it's a weird family. You... Yeah. You get the point. But yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye!